One of the most common mistakes when creating a Google account is forgetting the password. If you've created a Gmail account and forgotten the password and want to recover it without using a computer or taking it to a technician, we'll explain step by step how to solve this problem. It's normal to create a Gmail account when you have a phone. But over time, we often forget the password. Today, I'll explain the easiest and most correct way to recover it. First, go to Settings. Select Settings. Now, in Settings, locate the Google account option. Select Google. This will take you to another section. Select your account, click on Manage Account, then select the security option and click on it. Here where it says Skip Account, it says Password. Let's click here first, select this option. And then it will take us to this section. Let's wait a few seconds. It will ask for our phone's lock. We add it, and it will appear like this. Well, this option appears like this. We click back. Now we click where it says Password. Here we will see the result, and that's all.